Hello everyone, Happy New Year. Well, I'll say Happy New Year. We're now nearly into the second month of the year, but weather's been terrible, so not been able to do much. If you notice, the lake is behind me. That's because we are up at the yard doing stuff. And that stuff was removing this. It's only a short video today because I haven't really got much to do today. So this is the distribution box, chamber, whatever you want to call it. And what that does is direct hot air from out of this vent that I blanked up into this box. It goes that way actually. Does it go that way? Yeah, that way. So it goes like that, mounted on the dashware. 1, 2, 3 and 4 holes are up there. So hot air comes in from, well, cold air goes in there. I'll draw that down. Cold air comes in here, goes into your heater box that's normally here, which I've also taken off because engine. Goes in through there, 90-degree elbow with a flap on it, and then ducts into there. And then what this does, distributes heat up to here, which is your window defrosters. Don't need them because, well, look at the state of it. And then down to your legs here and here, and then you get a little pull cable that's mounted on a similar sort of mount to that, but under there. But deleted it because don't need it. All it does is cable pulls it that way, and there's that little flap in there. So I think that way does your windows, and then that way does your feet. Or you can have it in the middle, have them do both. So I don't need that, it's all rusted. It's filling my cab full of rust every time I drive it, so that's done with. Also, some of you who follow on Instagram may have seen the story. We had a little bit of a boo-boo with the batteries. May have melted a bit of the terminals off there and there. I don't know why, it might have arced, or, you know, I might have shorted something out. I might not have had these tight enough. But it did start up, absolutely fine. And we're going to do it again now. Here, our fuel pump ticking away, all in neutral. Might help if I turn the fuel on. Right then, so like I say, nice short video today. Not much else done. I've done a little bit in the cab. I put a blue headlight high beam lens on, not for these, but for the light indicating that you're on high beam when you put the switch down on the floor. So I wanted a blue one, so I got a blue one. Ridiculously priced. I think it was something like €35 postage from Italy just to get that there, but oh well, I've got one. It's, believe it or not, it's the exact same one off a M151 Mutt. For logistical and fabrication reasons, everything is interchangeable on these and Dodge M37s and 151 Mutts. So if you're looking for a part for one of these and you can't find anywhere, cross-reference it, because parts from these still fit Humvees, modern Humvees today. So yeah. Really annoyed with this tarp as well. It's rubbing the paint off. where it's been blowing, so I'll have to get, it's actually really, really smooth. It's like it's wet and dried it. So I'll have to get the spray gun out, and even on latches, same on this side. Gone through a bit worse there, but oh well. Get a bit of hammer out on it and job's a good one. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next one.